Okay, got everything wired up and ready to put into the van and hook up to the AC and the DC distribution panels. So I've got 300 amp hours of batteries that are wired in across a 400 amp fuse up here to a Lynx distribution panel. And then we can monitor that through this little device that I'll be putting up on the wall somewhere in the control panel of the RV. Anyway, I've got a shunt there and an on-off switch right there. All this is ready to go so that I can then distribute AC and DC power from this controller out through there, off to the rest of the van. Anyway, I've got it wired up right now to some AC power through an extension cord. I'll be wiring that through a Shore Power 30 amp plug that I've got over here. When I put it in the van, I'll be putting this plug on the exterior wall of the van. There's the big honking cable for that. Anyway, I'm ready to start wiring up the van now. I've got a lot of the wiring run. I've just got to figure exactly where I want to put my distribution panels up in the upper panel. The theory I've got here is that I'm going to run heavier gauge wire from here and put the distribution panels up closer to their destination so that I'm not running multiple thinner gauge wires from here somewhere on this setup off to each independent little device. So at least I can run heavier gauge wire off the distribution panels and get them up closer to their intended destinations. Anyway, got to take this all apart now and move it all into the van and cover it up and clean it up. And anyway, everything's working. I'm excited. I didn't blow anything up. Very cool.